In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language on Instagram. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tutorials just like this. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content. But the first step is actually opening up the Instagram app and tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. From here, what you want to go ahead and do is tap the three lines in the top right corner to open up this menu. From here, scroll down till you see the option that is labeled language and translations. It has this little weird looking icon next to it, and it's in the your app and media section. Go ahead and open up that section, and there's going to be an option that says set language. Click on it and then hit continue. This will go ahead and open up this page right here. If you're on an iPhone, you just need to go ahead and turn off the location access on here. And then when going back to Instagram, you'll be able to set your language to whatever you would like. But it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and let us know what language you're switching to. Before you leave this video, don't forget to like it and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great day. Peace.